Hello.
Yes, hello, Mr. Twy. Good evening.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Yeah, I really thought that you're not joining for tonight.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, how's everything going with you?
Um. Today is normally uh because I'm sick. I'm sick.
Mm.
2 days. Yes. Very not good.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that one. So how are you feeling now? Are you getting better?
Sometimes the flu is
Hurting?
yeah, yes, rehearsing, and I'm I'm nose not good.
Ah, yeah. I think you have I think that's I'm not sure. Maybe that's flu, clogged nose or runny
Mm,
nose, then sore throat, then sometimes plus headache. Then that is
yeah,
a flu. Or
the
even
flu.
with the cough, like coughing, like that.
Mhm.
Yes. Yeah. Here too, I am very careful. That's why whenever we go outside, I always wear face mask because of
Mm.
monkeypox case. Have you ever heard about monkeypox?
Monkey pox, monkey.
Monkeypox?
Ah, monkey
It's
pox.
like one of the disease. Yes. I think it's a worldwide disease, but it's not that serious compared to COVID. Like this one. Sorry for that. Let me try to translate it instead. Yeah, because I'm afraid that the pictures that we would see are so
Monkey pox.
disgusting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Monkey pox. Like that.
Uh-huh. In Philippines.
Um, n- yes, there are some cases in Philippines.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but
Uh,
only few cases.
yeah. The news say the news say the COVID uh return Thailand.
Mm. Oh no.
Yeah. Maybe I think the people have to the two vaccine.
Mm.
Uh, yes, the people can 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 through COVID-19.
Ah, yes. Have you ever got your vaccine for COVID?
Yes, I have three 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 vaccine.
Ah, 3 shots of
Three
vaccine.
three slot. Three slot.
Ah, yes. Well, me, I only got the second dose, first dose
Yes.
and second dose. I don't have the third dose anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
the
I never
friend
returned.
the friend vaccine in Vietnam,
Mm.
Astra,
Yeah,
Pfizer,
AstraZeneca.
yes, AstraZeneca, Pfizer, and from China,
There's also another one that is called Johnson and Johnson.
Johnson and Johnson, maybe from Europe,
Ah,
yeah,
okay.
and in Vietnam have vaccine from Cuba,
What is it called?
uh, Cu- Cuba from the country in the South American.
Yes, I know where Cuba is. But what is the vaccine called?
Um, Sorry, I don't know, friend. Maybe Vietnam have lots of brand vaccine for everyone.
Ah, yes, because here, like we have like I think four vaccines. We have
Mm.
Sputnik. I don't know where is it from. We
Uh,
also have
Sput- uh,
Zyfivax, like that.
Sputnik,
AstraZeneca, Johnson and
Sputnik
Johnson.
from, yeah, I remember Sputnik from Russia.
Ah, okay. Yes, and there's like another one, Pfizer. Yeah, that was my dad's vaccine,
Yes,
Pfizer.
from Europe. Uh,
Ah, wow.
yeah, maybe.
Ah, all right. Like, how did you know that they came from this country?
Mm.
How did you know
Uh,
about that, Mr. Toy?
uh, Maybe the COVID, my country don't have the vaccine.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, my country uh, exports from China, from Europe, from
Mm.
Cuba. I think the Cuba always support Vietnam, and Russia always support Vietnam,
Mm.
and China is big neighbor in Vietnam. China says Vietnam uh, have have to take vaccine here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the countryside,
Mm.
almost people uh, must lost vaccine from China.
Ah,
Yes, because the vaccine AstraZeneca uh, do not enough, or Pfizer do not enough.
yeah, that's right. Same here.
Yeah. um, Everyone usually says the AstraZeneca
Mm.
or Pfizer very better, which vaccine from China, Cuba, maybe.
Ah, all right. Yes,
Yeah.
and I remember that there were many people who were scared to get shots for
Short.
to get like vaccines for COVID-19 because they thought that we would become zombies after getting some shots like
Mm.
that. But those were
Short.
just yeah.
Uh, you have two shot.
Yeah, like I only have first dose and second dose. That's it.
Mhm.
They told me to come back for the third dose. But during the distribution of third dose, the COVID cases in that time are what's that? I wear gun. That's why I didn't get my third dose anymore.
Gone.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember in Vietnam we don't have food. Uh,
Mm.
yes, I stay the apartment.
Mm.
Uh, do not plan festival, or do not have chicken or pork or everything.
Oh.
uh, but mm, uh, my parents uh,
Mm.
have have food uh, uh, around the garden.
Ah.
Maybe the uh, my parents have a vegetable or egg or chicken, but
Mm.
do do not enough, mm, for during COVID-19. because
Mm.
the COVID-19 very long time.
Yeah, it was like 2 years.
Yes, 2 years.
Yeah, two
Uh,
years, and we were locked
yeah.
down.
In Vietnam, lockdown 4 months.
Ah,
I um I stay apartment. Uh,
mm,
uh, I'm I wait the government to support the vegetable
mm,
or sometimes the price, sometimes the egg,
mm,
uh, almost the vegetable, almost the vegetable,
yeah,
uh, and egg, vegetable and egg and noodle.
yeah. Yes, that's right. And canned goods. That's
Yeah,
what the government usually give during COVID time. More
yeah,
canned goods, cheap noodles,
yeah,
cheap rice, like
yeah.
that. And yes,
And
we were also like one of the beneficiaries of that.
my hair is very long.
Yeah.
Uh, my wife has to curse for me, curse by cut.
Ah, so you cut your own hair?
Yeah, my
Mm.
wife use pole. My wife
Mm.
use the bowl
Mm.
and put on my head and use the cut.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, because there were no barbers that time. There might be barbers, but they were also affected by COVID. So many people lost their job during that pandemic.
Mhm.
Yeah. And that
Yes.
time when COVID happened, I was a graduating student.
Writing, writing student.
Graduating student, like about to graduate from college.
Uh, Graduating. Cool.
Yes. And I didn't have a job that time because I was still a sim. But anyway, okay, so that was just our warm up chats. But for tonight, Mr. Twy, we are not yet done with Unit 13. If you can remember, Unit 13 is all about childhood. Yes, and the next we are going to continue with few phrases in here. We only have two left. So first one, graze buffaloes.
Raise buffalo.
Okay, when you say that you're going to graze the buffalo, that means that you are going to take care of it while they eat grass. Yes.
Mm.
And you know what? Like, buffalo is known to be the most hardworking animal because they work in the farm.
Mm.
Yes. And yeah, buffalo or what do we call that one? Carabao. Yeah, carabao is what we use at the farm. Like farmers in the Philippines would use carabao as a traditional way of farming.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing with
Philippines don't have. Yeah, Philippines don't have raised buffalo. Don't have.
Oh, we do graze buffaloes.
Okay. Mm.
Yes. But buffaloes are not common in the Philippines. Instead, we have carabaos. It kind of look like buffaloes, but we call it
Carabao.
carabao like this.
Ah,
Yeah, so
carabao.
this is the kind of animal um that Filipinos use in farming, especially in farming rice, corn, like the one that you can see here in the picture. This is what we use.
Ah, Carabao.
Yeah, carabao. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so it kind of looked like buffalo. I don't know what's the difference of buffalo and carabao, but they kind of look like the same. Okay,
Yeah.
like
There.
have you how do I call this? Like have you I know like Do you know someone who experienced grazing animals in their childhood?
Yes, actually, the countryside in Vietnam
Mm,
have cow and caribou.
mm,
Uh, my my family have a lot of cows.
mm.
Yes, the in the summer I
Yeah.
usually go to the farm and take care a lot of cows on
Mm,
the farm. Yes, at the weekend, I in Vietnam have the uh, the free culture.
mm,
Yeah, we have plant rice, plant everything. Uh, mm, uh, Long time ago, Vietnam don't have the machine for Africa. We we use carabao and cow
yeah.
to support to renovate
Mm,
the land. Yes,
yeah.
renovate the land. Yes, and the um, industrial uh, increase increase. Vietnam use the machine to free to farm to almost farm
Yes.
and and then carabao and cow will 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 be killed will be killed and and used to food for people.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
right. Like they will just carry the things that people cannot carry, especially
yeah,
if it's like up in the mountain. Yes, and cars cannot survive going up there. So do farmers would just use carabaos or cows. Yeah, so thank you for sharing that one, Mr. Twy. And here, lastly, we have feed chickens. Like, are you
mm.
into, do you have chickens, Mr. Twy, or does your family have chicken?
Yes. My family have chicken, lot of chicken.
Mm,
Uh, when I study high school, I I take care chicken for 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 to fighting
mm,
to take holiday. In Vietnam have the culture. The third holiday, the chicken
mm,
can can fighting it together.
yeah.
Yeah. Uh, this is the culture in Vietnam. This is the traditional game.
Yeah, same here. We call that one cockfighting, like this.
Uh, cup cup fighting.
Cockfighting, like
Yes,
that,
correct.
where people would bet, like where people would bet their money on it. Like, for example, oh, I'm going to bet 1 million Vietnamese dong. Yeah. If my chicken will win, then you're gonna pay me. So that's how they play it. Or sometimes people just like watching it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So same in the Philippine culture. Like this is also one
Uh,
of the traditional game.
uh,
So actually, we call this one as gambling. Because
Gambling.
when it involves money, it's considered gambling.
Yeah, gambling.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah,
So
the same. Yeah.
yeah, the same there. How about you, Mr. Try? Like, do you gamble?
Uh, only that holiday.
Ah, during. Uh-huh.
My colleague, my family usually to play card for fun
Mm,
and gambling little money.
yes. Yeah, that's okay because it's seasonal only during the holiday. So what's dangerous is if you do it as part of your lifestyle, or it's like a habit that you can't let go. Then that one is very dangerous. Yeah, because
Yes,
there are so
during
many
if the gambling is habit the uh, very dangerous for
mm,
people.
that's right. Yeah, there are so many people, family who have been ruined because one member, jo because one member of their family got addicted into gambling. Yes,
Oh,
especially these days, we have so many called online gambling or online gambling games.
yes,
Yes.
very dangerous online. Yes,
That's right. Yeah, because it's not the same to the traditional gambling where you are betting on animals or you're betting on people and you can actually interact with real people. With online gambling, you are interacting with maybe a robot, the machine,
mm,
technology, whom we don't know if they are real or not.
yeah,
Yes. So at first, they will let you win. But the sooner that you get addicted to it, they will always let you lose. And you cannot realize
always
it.
lose.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You won't
always lose.
realize it because you got addicted to it. Yes.
Yeah,
That's why we really have to be careful with gambling. Okay. So there is
mm,
always a limitation on that. So now, Mr. Twy, Um, let's move on immediately with our part two. It's all about reading and discussion. So it's about Peter who talks about his childhood. So I'll let you read this one, Mr. Tway.
yes. Peter talks about his childhood. Everyone has a childhood. Some has a happy childhood and some has a tough childhood. I think my childhood time was very great. During my childhood, I could happily live with my family, relatives, and friends without worrying about anything. I feel loved by my family and relatives. Besides, I and my childhood friends spend a lot of time playing with each other all around here. When was little, my grandfather took care of me the most. I was the youngest child in my family, so my grandfather loved me so much. He often made toys and pound pound candies for me. At the time, I had my friends at school and my children around my house. Some of them were older, even older and younger than me. We often play football, few kids when swimming, when fishing, and play hide and seek together. We play in the morning, at noon, and in the evening, and uh, and in the evening, uh, as anytime we had free time. Sometimes we forgot to come home, and our parents were worried a lot. My close friend was Wong. His house was next to my house, so we play with each other nearly all day. Now we remain close friends.
Yes, so
Hello.
thank you so much for reading this one, Mr. Twy. Okay,
Yeah.
so here there are some words that you mispronounce. So I want you to look at the word, you listen and repeat after me. So we have here first bought.
Pot.
Great.
Bye. Pot.
Okay, then we have here, where is it? Kites.
Hi.
Yes.
Feel.
And
You.
lastly, relatives.
Red.
Relatives.
Relative.
Yes.
Relative.
Yes. So do you have any question about this text, Mr. Twai?
Mm, stop. mm, I think it's okay.
Yes, because all of the words here are easy. Okay, so let me ask you questions about this text. So what made Peter's childhood great?
What makes Peter childhood great? Um, Peter childhood great. Peter, in your childhood time was very great. Uh, the um, what made Peter childhood great?
Yeah,
Uh,
it's like asking, why does Peter's childhood great?
uh, uh, he he has believed with your friends, relative, and friends without worrying about anything.
Yes, that's right. So that's the
Yeah.
best part about being a child. You don't worry about what to eat tomorrow. You don't worry about money.
Mm-mm.
Yes. Okay. So it's like you are very carefree. Yeah, you don't have any problem because that's just the nature of a child. Yeah, it's so good to be a child again. No
Mm.
responsibilities. Yes, but that was just part of our childhood. Anyway, Mr. Twy, it's already time. So we will just end here and continue on Saturday. Will you be able to join on Saturday?
Yes, I can.
All right. So I'll see you. That's great. So I'll see you on Saturday. So have a good
Yeah.
night, Mr. Twy. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.